In the quiet residential street, rain weaves a glistening sheen across the pavement as Alex and Lily stand at the edge of a puddle. Sharing a spark of childlike anticipation, Alex and Lily exchange excited glances, their faces radiant with the promise of adventure. The puddle awaits, holding the promise of a playful splash. Amidst the downpour, Alex, with unrestrained joy, leaps into a puddle, unleashing a burst of water that dances in the air. Lily, her face alight with glee, mirrors Alex's exuberance, stomping and splashing with wild abandon, their laughter piercing the storm's gloom. Their laughter becomes a symphony of liberation, echoing through the neighborhood as they chase each other, their spirits unbound by the storm. Lost in the moment, they spin in circles, surrendering to the storm as raindrops cascade through their hair, each drop a tiny spark of pure, unadulterated joy. Arriving at the park, Alex and Lily, soaked to the bone, find their spirits soaring. With unrestrained joy, they spot a muddy hill and plunge into a whirlwind of laughter and mudsliding. Exhausted but ecstatic, they collapse in a heap, their laughter echoing in the rain-soaked air. Beaming with unadulterated happiness, they gaze up at the sky, finding a moment of pure bliss in the aftermath of their playful escapade.